Hello, I'm Chris Beauchamp and welcome to IG's Trade of the Week for the week beginning Monday, the 13th of May. Each week we look at a key market to trade and how you might look at employing the risk management around that. But we'll look back to last week's trade to start with. IG Senior Market Analyst Axel Rudolph looked at going short soybeans in his trade last week. And this one is still running. He had an entry point at 12.37 and a stop all the way up at 13.28. So a nice wide range on that stop, really. And this one's still firmly in effect. While it had a bit of a recovery on Friday and it's continued to edge higher again this morning, although just dropping back again, it looks like you could have a continuation of this pattern. Certainly the entry point is still valid and the stop is nowhere near. So it looks like we could have a continuation of this move really on soybeans. We go to this week's trade. We're looking at the US dollar against the Canadian dollar. Now, it's of course a big week for the US dollar with inflation data due later in the week. But with the US dollar against the Canadian dollar, what you have seen over the past 2 weeks really is a very choppy period. Big rebound on the last day of April, and then that's been negated since then with further range-bound trading essentially. But as you can see from these longer wicks, there's been buying in the area below 137, around sort of 136 up towards 136.70. So in that area, the buyers have stepped in. So we're looking to go long dollar CAD. With these long wicks, we do have to give it quite a bit of a wide stop. So we put our stop down at 136, which is also interesting area where resistance was before. So that's something to know that resistance becomes support following that break higher. So a close below 136 would negate the bullish view, but certainly for the moment, the buyer stepping in, continuation of these gains, maybe could see us go initially back towards the high from the beginning of May above 137.80, and then beyond that, you're going on beyond 138 towards 138.40. So that's the trade of the week beginning Monday, the 13th of May. We're going long dollar CAD, long US dollar, Canadian dollar with a stop at 136.